Hello students, today I am going to discuss about the most valuable short question or MCQ about fundamental rights of the Indian Constitution. So let's start. Number 1. Fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution have been taken from the Russian Constitution, US Constitution, British Constitution. Number 4. Act of 1935. So friends, its answer is US Constitution. How many articles come under right to equality? 2 or 3 or 5 or 4? Its answer 5. Who among the following headed the 9-judge constitutional bench that declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right? Its answer is J.K. Kehar or Deepak Mishra or S.G. Kania. टीसी ठाकुर सॉरी फ्रेंड्स यार आंसर हो JS Kehar. Thank you friends. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the fundamental rights of the citizen? Part 3I of the Constitution, Part VI of the Constitution, the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution, none of the above. Its answer Part 3I of the Constitution. In which of the following articles of Constitution the right to equality are mentioned? Article 19 to 22, Article 23 to 24, Article 14 to 18, and the last one Article 25 to 28. So right to equality mentioned in the under the article at option 3, Article 14 to 18. The scope of the Article 21 of the Constitution was expanded to include right to education because of the decision of Supreme Court in case the scope of the Article 21 of the Constitution was expanded to include right to education because of the decision of Supreme Court in case of Urani Krishna versus Andhra Pradesh, Govind versus State of Madhya Pradesh, Parmanand Katara versus Union of Indian, Chameli Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh. So friends, its answer Uni Krishna versus Andhra Pradesh. Option A1. The Right to Education Act was actually implemented by the Government of India on 15th August 2009, 15 August 2009, 26 January 2010, 1st April 2009, 1st April 2010. So its answer number 4, 1st April 2010. Which of the following articles state the abolition of titles? Article 18, Article 17, Article 16, Article 15. So friends, we are all know its answer is Article 18. Abolition of titles, Article 18, number 1. Which provision of the fundamental rights is directly related to the exploitation of the children? Article 17, Article 19, Article 23 or Article 24? Friends, its answer Article 24. Which of the following are incorrectly matched? So friends, let's start. Article 14, abolition of untouchability. Article 15, right against exploitation. Article 16, right to equal opportunity in employment. Article 17, abolition of titles. In case of, you can pause the video and answer and comment the answer. Option A 1, 2 and 3 only. Option 2 2, 3 and 4 only. Option 3 1, 3 and 4 only. And 4 1, 2 and 4 only. So its answer number D or number 4 1, 2 and 4 only. In the Indian Constitution, as per fundamental rights, abolition of untouchability is a dash. In the Indian Constitution, as fundamental rights, abolition of untouchability is a right to equality, right to freedom of religion, right against exploitation, right to constitutional remedy. So its answer right to equality, which under the Article 17. Which one of the following categories of fundamental rights incorporates incorporates protection against untouchability from the discrimination. Number 1, right against exploitation, right to freedom, right to constitutional remedies under the Article 32, or 4, right to equality. So its answer, right to equality. The 86th Amendment Act 2002 insert which of the following articles in the Constitution of India? Number 1, 21A, number 2, 31A, number 3, 21A, number 4, 56C. So it's answer 21A, which says that right to education. Right to education free and compulsory between the age of 6 to 14 years. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolished the practice of untouchability? Number 16, number 1, Article 16, number 2, Article 17, number 3, Article 18, number 4, Article 20. So its answer, abolish the untouchability comes under Article 17 of the right to equality. Access to the internet. Access to the internet is the fundamental right under which article of the Indian Constitution? Number 1, Article 22, Article 20, Article 21, and the last one, Article 19. So its answer, Article 21, which says that protection of life and personal liberty. Under which article of the Indian Constitution have the citizen been given fundamental rights? Fundamental rights, friends. Article 12 to 15, Article 12 to 35, Article 226 to 225, and 4, none of the above. Its answer, number 2, Article 12 to 35.